In this video, I will show you how to add friends to your chess.com. Simply open up chess.com. Now in the home screen, you can see find friends. Click on it. From here, you can search up your contacts for friends. Simply allow the permission, then search it up. Or you can search up for your Facebook friends. You can invite your friends from mail. Or you can simply click on send challenge link. After you add them and they accept the invitation, the friends will be added to your list. Then what you can do is simply click on play. Then click on play a friend. After that, the list of your friends that you have invited and they have accepted the email. Now the list of friends that you have invited and the ones who have accepted the request will appear here. You can simply click on them. After that, you can start playing. Or one more thing that you can do is simply click on find friends here. Now you can search up people by the username and you will be able to add them. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.